do we have here? Live plants. I ordered these off of Runo. It was a live sale off of TikTok. Runo Plants. Love free plants. Flip me over for details. Ooh, I can get some free plants. I can get some free plants. Alright, let's see what we got. I hope these have a heat pack. I think I did pay for a heat pack. Let's see what happens. So far, so good. It did have a heat pack in it. This was the heat pack. It's still a little bit warm. And I think this, I'm not sure where this came from. Let's see. It came from Homestead, Florida. Woo! Well, we've had 30-degree temperatures here every night, or cooler, so spray. This is I believe this is a red Anthurium, so we'll see what it looks like. So far, so good. It does feel a little cool. The package does, but not too bad. Oh, that's pretty. So far. Ugh. That little petal right there is a little scruffed up. But overall, not too bad. Not too bad. Says it's a Anthurium Red Heart, tropical. Yep, that's what I ordered. Now, I have had a lot of these in the past. Sometimes they do good and sometimes they don't. But the beauty of plant shopping is you can always order more. This one looks good, y'all. Let me turn my lights on where you can see it. Pretty. This was on sale. It had free shipping. I think it was $15 with free shipping, and then I had to put a heating pad in there. It came from South Florida, and it hasn't been through too much cold. So I think it's going to be good. Let me finish unwrapping it. Not too shabby, y'all. Not too shabby. Again, this came from a live sale off of TikTok. I think I ordered it not even a week ago. It's been 3 or 4 days ago. And here it is, and it's looking pretty. It's got plenty of moisture in it. It had this cotton around the bottom of it. And it's very moist. Came from South Florida, and I'm in South Alabama. Beautiful. Now that I know they send out really good flowers, I'll order more from them. I think I have ordered from them in the past. This has got some really good roots, aerial roots down in here. It looks nice and healthy. The soil looks nice and rich. Beautiful. Alrighty. Thank y'all for coming by and watching this unboxing of my Anthurium Red Heart. It looks like hearts. I just love getting new plants in the mail. Plant mail, plant mail, plant mail, plant mail. Thank y'all for coming by. I'll see y'all in the next video. God bless.
Hey, how you doing?